just got home from work with these, so we'll get them out. And yes, that is a huge chair. I sold my leather lounge and went. We got that. Alright, so we have 2 sets of Focals. These are the Flax series, which have like a literally that's actually plant material or whatever fibers in the cone. So these are like your below your K2s, which are the yellow ones. But above the Performance, which is your grey cone. So there they are there, the 2 boxes. So we'll open one up and have a look. So obviously I'm using the 4 woofers in the doors, 2 in each door, but I'm using the KRX2 tweeters, which are the tweeter molds are built up there. And I'll be using the KRX2 crossovers. So I mean, the crossovers and tweets out of these I don't need. So I've got a little manual and a focal sticker and that little identity card that's in them. That's how you know it's that's like how you know it's a genuine Focal product, because there's a lot of fakes around. It's like hot glued to it. They also work as great body filler spreaders. Anyway, so boring grills, little tweeters. Again, I mean, there's nothing wrong with these tweeters, but then they ain't shit compared to the KRX2 tweeters. So that's why I'm using those instead. Got our little crossovers here. Pretty simple. I may actually use the crossovers at some stage for something else in the car, but in the tailgate, but not for the front. Obviously, mounting hardware, little cups for the tweeters, etc. All that boring stuff that you don't care about. The grills, which are kind of sunken in the middle, but I won't be using those probably. I may use them, but I probably won't be using them. And now we get to our Flax woofer. Okay, so there we are with the Flax woofer. So it is actually a material kind of plant in them, and as you can see, it's different to the other woofer, like different markings. So it's not a printout. It actually is what it is. As you can see there, made in France. Good quality shit. There we go. Okay, these have quite a fair bit of excursion too. So, whatever. There's our Flax components, but I'm only using the woofers for the build I'm doing. But yeah, nice set of speakers. I like the Flax. So, cool. That's them there. Yeah, so stay tuned for the build. I just want to unbox them and let you see them all. Focal Flax woofers, 6.5 inch woofers. So this is what we'll have on each side. So we'll have 2 Flax 6.5 inch mid-range woofers, and then we've got here the Focal KRX2 tweeter and the Focal KRX2 crossover block. Okay, which as you saw is, I mean, that's a lot bigger crossover, better crossover than what comes with these. So we'll just run those. These are a 2 ohm system again, so that's why we're running the 2 4 ohm woofers together on 2 ohm onto that. But that's that. And just to point out, as far as quality goes, like this is the front stage. In my Jackaroo I'm running the Pioneers here, which are Pioneers like second top of the range, you know, component set. I think RRPs on these is like $2.99, right, for that set. These alone, each set of these is a $450 set, and then you add on what these tweeters and these crossovers are worth, is going to have a near a $1,500 front stage. So compared to my front stage of a $300 front stage, which actually goes quite well, the front stage in this wagon is going to be bullshit loud, but also clear, super quality clear, but nice and loud and nice and full. So all right, cool. That's what's coming.